guys, what's up? What's up? Today I'll be talking about Telegram. That is another messaging app that you should be using. The amazing features that it has that the messaging app on your phone doesn't have. So stick around till the end of this video. Now without wasting much time, let's get started.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a
Now I feel I am one of the last few who's gotten to know about Telegram, but since I've gotten to know, I would love to share it with y'all because it's super amazing. Let me give you a quick background about this app. This app was launched in 2013. Imagine, still we don't know about it, and has over 2 billion active users. Now I want you to use this app because of several reasons. The first one is the size of the files that you could share. In the current messaging app that I use, I can send just about teeny weeny sized videos. But in this holiday season, I've been clicking so many pictures and of course so many videos, and the person with whom I'm sharing the camera space with is annoying me to have the videos sent to them. Now it's quite difficult to email, and the best thing that I found here is Telegram. A file size can go up to about 1.5 GB. Can you imagine that? You can just send movies. Now that one problem of sharing long videos has been sorted thanks to Telegram. Second reason why you need to be using Telegram is because of the quality of the pictures that you're sharing. Now, the current messaging app that I use doesn't allow me to send the picture in the actual quality. It usually compresses the picture. That problem sorted thanks to Telegram. In Telegram, you can select the quality of the picture or the video that you are sharing. Coming to number 3, most of the people these days have 2 phone numbers. And that's why Telegram gives you the option to add another number in the same messaging app. Coming to number 4, in the holiday season, we click so many pictures having different morning look, evening look, and would like to upload it as a profile picture. But the current messaging app that I have gives me the option only to upload one profile picture. And that's why Telegram, it allows you to upload multiple profile pictures. Next one is the group size. The group limit given in Telegram is 5,000 members. This is mainly useful for the business people. So if you just want to wish Happy New Year to everyone, you can just put it on one group itself. Now, if you have a group size bigger than that, then you should know the next point, which is having a public link. I'm sure you're not going to believe me when I say the limit for the group size is 2 lakh members. Yeah, you heard it right. It's 2 lakh members. So if you have any new business updates or any new product launch, you can definitely use this platform to share your message. And you know the best part, the members will not even have to share their phone numbers to get on your group. You can have a URL created which you could just share and they can join your group. Which is also, by the way, a very awesome feature that you don't have to share your phone numbers. The next awesome feature is delete the message which is already sent without informing the recipient. So have you been in that oh shit moment where you have already sent the message and want to get it back but don't want to notify the person as well? Telegram is for you. You can delete messages and the notification won't even be seen by the recipient. So go ahead and type out what's in your mind. If you get that realization later, you can just delete it. Telegram also provides you a feature where you can edit the message that you have already sent. There's also a draft feature that you can make use of where if you have typed in a long message but don't want to send it right away, you can just save it as draft. With all the night mode features given to all the apps and all the new versions, Telegram has also adopted the dark feature that you can select, and there are a whole lot of themes that you could select to make the Telegram app attractive for yourself. Please share with us in the comment section below of a feature that I've missed in this video. That's it folks for today, but before this year ends, I would like to share with you a few things that you need to know so that you can make 2020 your winning year. So stay tuned for the last video of this year. Bye for now guys, see you later.